Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to do green screen on iMovie using your iPhone. In order to use green screen in iMovie using iPhone is a simple and a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open your iMovie application. Make sure you have a solid green or blue background ready on your device as well. Once you open up the iMovie application, go ahead and click on the movie option under Start New Project. This will take you to your device's camera roll, from where you will need to select the background video or image you want to use. Once you select it, click on the Create Movie button at the bottom. You will then be able to import a background media onto your timeline. Go ahead and tap on the plus button at the top left corner and import your green screen footage as well. Make sure that you have your green screen footage ready as well, and once you do it, you can tap on it from your device's camera roll or other sources, and you will be able to see this little menu pop up. Click on the three dots option from the pop-up and click on green/blue screen. Right after you do that, you will be able to add your green screen clip to the timeline. Tap on the green screen clip to bring up the editing options. The little slider button at the top right corner will let you increase or decrease the strength of your green screen clip. You can also use the next tool and drag the corners to exclude an area from the green screen clip. This can be used to exclude the area by dragging the corners from your green screen clip. The next thing you can do is to drag the footage from your timeline and make sure it is placed in the area that you want. And that is how you will be able to do green screen on iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.